Welcome to Mangere Mountain.
It's a small, tight-knit cast, and they're under the careful guidance of director Louise Toole.
This play is probably best described as showcasing banal, of domestic, really abstract pieces of text woven in with sound and design. So everyone, George is from the Electoral Commission and she's been standing up.
For her backdrop, Louise has chosen the vast cultural landscape of Mangere.
What inspired me was a number of female figures, so Mary of Mangere, who apparently is this well-known character in the town centre and is homeless or a pauper-like figure. And so I thought, well, that's fantastic to have heard of somebody with such a biblical-sounding name. And it just really suits that area, really, of Mangere and Pasifika and seeming millions of churches. I'm also inspired by Pasifika and Muslim female bodies that live and work and operate in Mangere.
However, it hasn't all gone to plan. For instance, her Muslim character couldn't be developed the way she wanted to.
There is no Muslim character. It also kind of just brings up the question of plurality, like I'm Samoan, you're Samoan, we're both women, but we can probably lead completely different lives. So how fair is that to come up with this archetype of a Samoan woman? I mean, I've had some people go, are there any Muslim characters? And I'm like, no.
Although it's a fairly ambiguous concept, Louise is certain about her creative process.
The way that I tend to focus on writing is I reflect on the word playwright. So playwright, the write is not actually writing, it's wroughting. So it's like wroughting steel or iron, and it's to make, bend or craft. I mean, I'm fairly open, but I've also got quite a clear idea of like, oh, this may not work, or why would we do that? I don't think there's a need to be kind of shouty, unless I'm tired.
And according to Louise, it's different from any other play that she has ever done.
It's not a usual kind of Pasifika play. There will not be any singing. The polyphonies are in those two playing, if there are any, and just be happy to be confused.